This Tefal Pro Express high-pressure steam generator iron will provide your garments with the ultimate care. The Spiral Protect anti-drip system converts dirty water droplets into steam to ensure they don't drop onto your clean laundry. Your garments are protected from the stains caused by dirty water droplets. The anti-scale collector is designed to prevent blockages in the steam chamber, increasing the longevity of the iron. The steam output won't diminish, so you can enjoy better ironing for longer. This Tefal steam generator offers long-term efficient ironing and tailoring functionality with its smart settings.